Hello everyone, in this video we will see the PHP include statement. So let's first we will write some code and see practically what this include means. So coming to our IDE, first we'll create a file here and save it as demo1.php, and I will copy some HTML and paste it here. Basic PHP tutorials. Now in this body section we will write h1 tag. This is basic PHP tutorial series, and I will so its height, actually its style, height 200 pixels. Now we will see this file in the browser, and what we had demo1. This is basic PHP tutorial series. Now we will make it center. Let us do it this way. Save this and refresh this. Now it is on center. Now what we have to do is simply we will create a new file here, and we will save this file first. We will save it by include name, include.php, and save this. Then basic PHP. Now what we have to write simply include, then file name demo1.php, now we will write some message here. Being included. So let's save this and include.php. The page has been included. You can see how we included the another page into this page. So under file like demo1.php, we have included that file into our file. Its name is include.php. This is the beauty of this include statement in PHP. We can include any page in any other page. So this include statement is mostly used when we have to create a basic format of our website, like headers, like footers. So in every page we do not need to make a header and footer. We simply write header and footer separately and include that very page into our file in which we need it. So this was about PHP include statement. Please like and share this video and subscribe to my channel Technophile. Thank you.